When I think about La Scuola, you have these different ingredients, right? You have Reggio Emilia, you have the International Baccalaureate, you have this Italian heritage, you have the American culture. All of those ingredients are there to make a unique organization, a unique school. And if you add to that the possibility to have different humans and diversity, well, you have everything you need to make a tasty and beautiful dish, right? You know what I mean? This SST allow us to accomplish our dreams of having a school that educates everyone.
My name is Athena. My son is Jackson Burns, and he's in 3rd grade. I chose La Scuola for my son because I wanted somewhere that he could be himself and grow into the person that he is authentically, and have the school experience I didn't have as a kid. Sliding scale tuition has done so much for us. It's given us an opportunity to send him somewhere we would have never been able to on our own, to give him experiences we would never had, and gives him an opportunity to have more than I did.
My name's Jenica Storti, and I'm here at the Silicon Valley campus, and I have a son here, and his name's Giovanni. You know, when we were looking for schools, we had to look at all the options, and this really gave us the ability to focus on the type of school that we wanted our son to go to, and that was La Scuola. We wanted to choose a school that had people that were gonna love our child and care for him the way that we would.
Prior to La Scuola, we were part of another school, which was offering some of the things that we needed and we thought we liked. One of the main reasons why we decided to come to La Scuola is to focus on social-emotional learning. So because of the SST, we are here now, and we're so grateful for this opportunity.
Given how important it is to provide really quality education to everyone, it is really important to make it accessible from a financial perspective. So our way of actually making that possible is through the sliding scale tuition.
When I'm in the classroom and I'm working with students, I really want to hear from sort of a diverse range of perspectives, right? And if we have students that are all from a similar background, we don't get those different perspectives in the classroom. Sliding scale tuition, it makes a really big difference just in thinking about the learning.
It's actually kind of an emotional thing. We did the Dolce Vita last year, and when it came time to people donating specifically to the fund, and just watching everybody's hands raised and how much money people were giving, like brought my husband and I to tears, because we were just so grateful that everybody gave and was able to give us an opportunity to send our son just somewhere we would have never been able to.
The sliding scale tuition has helped our family be able to afford to go to this school. It's by allowing that tuition to be given to all types of family, makes our schools more diverse and stronger, in my opinion.
He's just had a chance to be exposed to so much more. I think his world has broadened in a way that I wouldn't be able to give him on my own. Our world is so much bigger now that we're here.
For my students, I want a place where they can understand that the world is better when we have different people around us. So if La Scuola is able to do that by liberating or at least adjusting economical barriers, it means that we can have more students to join this beautiful project that we have.